So what do you think, what kind of investment options should they even consider when they begin?
Okay. So it's like this, the way we have a different diet plan for each individual based on age, medical history, the target weight, food preferences. Similarly, even for investments, every individual will have a different investment option based on his age, his risk profile, the target return the person is chasing, and extremely important financial goals. So, if I am investing for short term and immediate goals like paying for higher education or buying a car, then I should stick to fixed deposits, debt, or liquid mutual funds because these are relatively safer. If I'm investing for medium term goals, which could be 4-5 years down the line, then I can go for hybrid mutual funds, which is a combination of stocks and FDs. And if I'm looking for long term investment options, and I'm looking at wealth creation, then the best product to invest over there is equity mutual funds and stocks, and then one can remain invested over there for decades. So it could be a combination of all of these depending on what are the financial goals.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.